entered in our stall, आपने stall का layout देखा है, कौन सा particular section you found it very good?
Everything seems to be good. I've seen entire range. You have a complete range of laminates, right from liner laminate to the 1.2 thickness, and everything seems to be good. And all these the block boards and the plyboard all seems to be good, and they seems to be reliable.
Thank you, sir. Sir, since you are into this trade, sir, how did you came to know about Amulya Mica brand, and what made you thought that I have to visit Amulya Mica stall once to get a deeper insight into it? What was that reason?
One of my clients has used your product and he was very satisfied with your product, and that's how I came to know about your product. And so I was just visiting this exhibition, and I thought, maybe why not visit your pavilion and see my product myself. And then,
Sir, if you could design with only 3 materials for 1 year, what would be those 3 materials majorly?
you're talking about the wooden thing.
Anything which relates to building materials.
For the interior, I'll be using mostly the block board and the plyboards and the laminates.
So, and I hope that you will be using our most trusted block boards and plywood and laminates.
The facility in it seems to be good, and definitely I'd like to use them. But definitely the price has to be within that affordable range, because the client are the main baseline for the client is how much it's going to cost. If it's reasonable and product is good, then the client will definitely use your product.
Sir, there are 2 words like durability and aesthetics. Those are 2 different words. How do you balance between these 2 words, durable and being aesthetic, while choosing a particular product?
They go side by side. Both of them go side by side.
Okay.
Durability, of course, is important, because ultimately, when you deliver a product and maybe 2 or 3 years after the project has been delivered, the client, if the product is good, then the client recommend to other people. And then the aesthetics for the architects are high because of their aesthetic value, and because they give a value addition to the product because of the aesthetic sense. And so both of them go side by side.
And what do you think that, what is your sixth sense telling that after using Amulya Mica, what do you think that durable and aesthetics will matter?
They seems to be good, because I was just going through the flooring and the flooring which you are using for that, and then a lot of footfall is there, and I believe maybe 200-300 people minimum will be visiting your site.
This is a point to be noted, just to let you know that this particular flooring has been made entirely out of 1 mm scratchings, which is a particular, premium product. And as the knowledgeable architect is saying that still now, after so many footfalls, near to around 1000 plus footfalls, there has been no scratches over here. So this is one point to be noted, how tough and how durable Amulya Mica products are, laminates are. Sir, last but not the least, there is one particular candid question. Coffee or tea, which powers your material selection? You have a sip of coffee or you have a sip of tea?
Coffee.
Coffee. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your gracious time.
Thank you.